Hi everyone, it's Pearl Jellyfish. Today we're doing a slime unboxing from My Slime Obsession. So here's the box, and let's open it up. Inside there's this pretty pink confetti paper. Under that, there's this little packet of different things. So we can take this out in a minute. Then in here we have the slime. This is clear as water. So we'll put this off to the side and we'll open up the little packet. Okay, so inside the packet, there's this little slime obsession sticker. And then inside, all kinds of things. Okay, so we make it, you poke it, all of the information, how to care for your slime, some slime tips. They give you this nice packet of borax that you can dissolve in warm water as an activator. They give you this cute little water bottle charm to put in the slime. It's really lifelike. It looks really real. They give you this little heart, candy, and a lollipop. Okay, we will put this off to the side and we can take out the little water bottle and we'll get the slime. Okay, so they wrap it really nicely so that it stays all padded with the bubble wrap, and we will open this all up. Okay, so here it is. It says My Slime Obsession on top, some pretty stars. And then here is the slime. Clear as water, do not drink. So this really is as clear as water. It is super pretty, and we're gonna open it up. It has a little plastic seal over it, so we will get this off and be right back. It's time to open the slime. All right, so it feels really soft, really light. It's definitely not sticky. It's kind of hard to get out the whole thing in one. It's just kind of chunks. Okay. So it's really pretty. It's definitely clear as water. Super, super clear. I really like this one, and now we can stick the little water bottle in. Super, super pretty. I also really like this water bottle. It is super real looking. It even has a tiny little barcode. Super cool. Okay, so it is really stretchy, really soft and light, definitely clear as water, and I love how it gets these little bubbles, but it doesn't just turn white super fast. You can see all of the little bubbles in it. So super pretty. I really like it. Thank you, My Slime Obsession, for making such a cool slime. And that is today's video. Thank you for watching. You can like the video, you can subscribe to my channel, and you can comment at bunnyfluff2020@gmail.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.